Okay. So, today we are troubleshooting an LG direct drive WM2301HR. And as you can see, it's making some noise. Let's go around back. This is what's happening in the back. Okay. It will spin one way. Alright. Not even really one way. Just having trouble. Sounds like this thing is skipping. So I'm going to take that off, take a look at it, and see what we can find. Okay. So I have this thing off. And it all looks no burrs, there's no I don't really see anything there. Yes. Closer look. I don't really see much going on with this making the noise, so take a look. Okay, here we are. The belly. It's really nothing. Just slightly. Maybe something right there. Look at that hand, but I don't feel anything there. And this is a direct drive unit. And that's fine. Well, let's take a look down here. What's under there? I don't really know. These guys list maybe? No. It's all in place. Okay. Let's try something else. See what happens. Ooh, nothing happened. Oh. Okay. Are you getting this? Almost like it's part of the drive system. I'm definitely not making that noise like it was. not making that noise anymore, but
What did you do? You don't know?
I took it off and put it back on. And yeah, we'll see how it goes from here on. Oh, well, it's getting ready to spin up, so I'll record this. Got it on the drain cycle. It was making so much noise, it wasn't moving right. I'm still not convinced. Cut. Oh, there you go. That sounds good. Sounds like bearings deep inside. That sounds like. Placing the bearings on this thing. Sure. Yeah. Life bearings. That's my prognosis. That's my prognosis. Okay, thanks for watching. Not want to go low speed in the clockwise direction. Jitters. And of course, it's worse the heavier the load is. So when it was full of water. Okay, this direction. Alright, well, have to do some more research and see what we can do to bring it back to life. Sorry to see one of the best washers on the fritz. Oh man. Yeah. I'll work on leveling it a little better too, but I don't think that should cause this problem at all. Just wondering if that's bearings or the drive motor. It's hard to tell. I don't know enough about this machine. I mean, you'd think the bearings would be making noise all the time. That almost seems like a inverter controller issue or something. I don't know. Very peculiar. But it's just so strange. Alright, well, let's turn this off. I think we've drained and spin this blanket enough. I'll have to go do some learning and some troubleshooting. Do some learning. So, see you in a minute. Thanks for watching. Bye. Well, hello, and welcome back to another exciting adventure of Will It Work After We're Done Fixing It? So today, we hope we figured out that it was this. This is the bad one that's been replaced. William is back there putting on the flywheel. And we're going to then power it up and see, as you were watching before, what the amazing jiggly dancing it was doing that was not good. So hopefully should resolve the issue, and we're going to find out in a moment. So stay tuned. Okay, we are now plugging it in, turning it on. And
no LE code, that's good.
Right, notice no code. We're just going to go to drain and spin.
This is a go around deck. Okay, let's go.
That'll be good.
Can you turn the light on there? Right there? One way. Silent.
Silent.
Silent. I like what I hear back here. All I hear is high-pitched cricket noise.
Right?
I like that.
Yeah, it's absolutely nothing.
Stator's a little wobbly. Nothing out of the ordinary.
The stator's wobbly, the stator's stationary. You mean the rotor's
It's been a long day.
It has been a long day. Hey, I will call that fixed. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. Yes, I found this part online on eBay for like $13, maybe $11. It was here in less than 48 hours. It was amazing. So, yay! It's fixed. Hooray! There we go. It's picking up speed. You remember what I was doing before at these minute marks? That's beautiful. Sounds awesome. Oh, I guess all we need to do now is imbalance the load. With this carpet right here. I'm gonna throw this carpet in here. Whoa! I'm gonna throw all this stuff on the ground. I'm sorry, what do you want to do? Just snug it up a little bit? Okay.
Good.
Okay. Now we got some.
Throw itself all over the floor. That's how we're up
I saved them. Oh yeah. Remember, it was struggling to get started before with the extra weight. Now it doesn't care. Yeah, no, I call this done. We call this finished. Thank you for watching another successful enterprise mission. Okay, thanks. Later. Love you. Bye.